Beasley with Innovative Results. You can find us at innovative-results.com. Right now I'm going to be going through how to stretch utilizing a foam cylinder. So a lot of these foam rollers, as they're commonly known, or this one is like a grid from Trigger Point Therapy, are basically used for self-myofascial release, or how you can kind of break up some of the adhesions and tightness in a lot of your muscle groups. What I'm going to show you right now is just a rolling technique for the quad muscles on the top of your leg here. So basically just going face down. Face down, that foam roller is right on the top of that muscle group. And what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of inch up that muscle all the way from the knee. In this particular case, you're going to work from the knee all the way up to the hip. And then what you can do is you can just change the angle. So maybe you might start face down. You can go and turn and kind of get more of the outer aspect of the thigh. So what I typically do is I'll work that outside aspect of the thigh up, then work down the middle, and then you can even go up the inside a little bit. And it's just going to break up all the tension that are in those muscles. Okay? And it's real simple. You can find these rollers. There's foam rollers. There's grids like this. There's all kinds of different tools that are out there. But they're incredibly good at loosening up so that you can move better, not only for athletics, but even to help loosen up your body so you move more efficiently and reduce pain and different things like that in your body. So again, utilizing these cylinders for stretching techniques is an incredible way to help you feel better. Again, my name is Corey Beasley from Innovative Results. For more information about this type of stuff, you can visit innovative-results.com.